This short video describes how to install EndNote X9 on a Windows 10 operating system using the EndNote X9 installation file provided by Bates College. If you have not already downloaded the EndNote X9 installer, please refer to the video from this Bates EndNote series for instructions. Also, EndNote is designed to work with Microsoft Word. Before installing EndNote, it is important to have Microsoft Word installed on your computer. It is also important that the Microsoft Word app is closed while running the EndNote installer, because EndNote installs a plugin for Microsoft Word that allows the two programs to work together. If you don't already have Microsoft Office installed, check with the IT Help Desk to learn about installing it for free using the Office 365 for Education program and your Bates email address. So, with Microsoft Word installed but closed, open the EndNote X9 installer program. Select the OK button in the pop-up window asking you to confirm you are an active student, faculty, or staff member. Then, follow the prompts for a typical installation, which include accepting the license agreement and choosing a destination directory. When the installation is complete, open a blank document in Microsoft Word to confirm the EndNote Cite While You Write plugin has been successfully installed. You will know this to be the case if you see a new EndNote X9 tab in the main Microsoft Word menu ribbon. Selecting the EndNote tab and the Go to EndNote option will open your newly installed EndNote application.